In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a failed WooCommerce installation or update. If WooCommerce gets stuck during an install or update on a local WordPress site, don't worry. This usually happens because the plugin files were only partially copied, or because your local server environment doesn't fully match what WooCommerce needs to run properly. The good news is that the fix is usually quick and straightforward. First, open the folder that contains your local WordPress installation. This is the main site directory on your computer where all of your WordPress files live. If you're using a localhost tool, you may need to open the site folder from inside that application or browse to it manually through your file explorer. Once you're inside the WordPress installation, locate the plugins directory. You'll find it by opening the WP content folder and then the plugins folder inside it. This is where WordPress stores each installed plugin in its own separate folder. Now look for the WooCommerce plugin folder. If the installation failed partway through, that folder may be incomplete, which can cause WordPress to keep showing update or activation errors. Remove that incomplete WooCommerce folder or rename it if you'd rather keep it as a backup while troubleshooting. Either option prevents WordPress from trying to load broken plugin files. After that, take a moment to check your local server's PHP version and enabled extensions. WooCommerce requires a compatible PHP version and certain extensions in order to install and run correctly. If your localhost environment is outdated or missing required components, the installation may fail again. Make sure your setup meets WooCommerce's current requirements before moving on. Once you've confirmed that, restart your localhost server. This helps apply any environment changes and clears up temporary issues that may still be affecting the site. After the restart, open your WordPress dashboard again and make sure the site is loading normally. Next, reinstall WooCommerce from the WordPress admin area by going to Plugins, then Add New. Search for WooCommerce and start a fresh installation. Since you already removed the incomplete plugin folder, WordPress should now be able to install a clean copy without conflict. When the installation finishes, activate the plugin, then wait a moment for WordPress to load everything properly. Finally, confirm that WooCommerce opens without showing an update error. If it loads normally, the failed installation has been resolved. This clean reinstall process is one of the most reliable ways to fix WooCommerce update issues on a local site, especially when the original plugin files were left incomplete.